Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Doraville local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is an interstate or intrastate move that covers over 50 miles of distance. This move is cost-effective but affordable at 3 men and a truck. Are you worried about a possibility of a clash with the federal authorities? Do not fret. While you savor the last minutes in your former location, we help you relocate to the following area without stress. 3 Men and a Truck is a member of the Better Business Bureau, BBB, and registered under the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Association, FMCSA. Our right standing with these federal corporations can ensure you have a swift move. Together with our top-of-the-line trucks, what could go wrong? While a long-distance move is over 50 miles away, a local move is within the state line. It is shorter in distance and cheaper. Our local moving services apply charges based on the number of hours used for your relocation. For a sum of $30 to $40, moving locally with TMT is assured. Your belongings will be delivered in the best shape without any losses or damages. With the presence of our trained staff, any sudden issue is handled with expertise and care. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Doraville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.